Welcome to the Windows or the Easy Computer Fixes channel. And here is a quick look at the May 2019 update, known issues. Because even though everything's beautiful, there are some known issues in here, and you might want to check out if one of the problems there is in the May 2019 update is either one of the problems you have, or if it might be something before you upgrade. You might want to check it out here to see if there's an issue that would be a kind of for you a problem upgrading. So Microsoft updates this status page, which contains all the information about known issues in the May 2019 update. So you can check out the page and you'll see that there are some issues. It will tell you different things. First, it would tell you the status of investigating. That means they are looking at why something is not working, and that problem is being investigated and will be eventually fixed. You have mitigated. Mitigated means it's not fixed, but there's a workaround for now, but eventually things will be okay. And there's resolved, which is the ones that there was some problems before, but now it's okay and things seem to work fine because they fixed it either with a cumulative update or it's now fixed in a later build. So check it out. This is a status page that I post a link in the description below the video, and you can check out the status. They update the status of this page regularly. As you see here, current status of June 18. They talk about a few things. So you might want to check it out if you want to know what's happening with the version 1903 or the May 2019 update. So the link is in the description below the video. Hope you enjoy. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.